beautiful schooner. It's a nice boat cutting our bow. It looks like a wooden boat. Schooner. Not on IS, so we don't have its name. Looks like a working boat.
We can balance this boat a little bit. Why we're going to balance here. Let's see. We get a lot of. Let's see, we go this way. So we are just leaving Craig's house on Tuesday, August 22nd, on our way to Ardfern for this is our final leg. Nice day, got about 10 knots of wind from the island, so no big waves. And we have all the sails up except for one reef in the main. So this is our last day's sailing probably of 2023, and we're being treated some gorgeous scenery. Clouds and rain on the shore there of Jura. At 5 or 6 knots, sails up, 10 knots of wind maybe. And we've had a really nice sail up the coast of Jura, and now we are heading up the final lock, at the end of which is Ardfern, the marina that we're going to leave the boat in for the winter. Just about see it. A couple of sails up there. It's about still a few miles away, but it is in view, and this is our final couple of miles of the summer. And back there is a Crinan. That's where the canal is. And we figured out we've done about 700 miles this summer. About 150 miles since Stas and Jasmine came with us. So a bit sad for the summer to be coming to an end, but lots of things left to do. The decks look great still. We won't be doing a lot of painting yet. There's hardly any rust on the deck. There's no rust on the deck, really, except a couple spots other than this. But otherwise, the deck looks great, so I can focus on something else for a change. So another hour to go or so, and we'll be there.
And we arrived in style. Picked up a mooring at Ardfern under this rain that just went away, and to our surprise, look at the sun coming out. John and Stas still fiddling with the mooring ball H1, and we are in Ardfern, Scotland, and this is our marina where Petronella is gonna. Well,
losing fingers.
Here comes the captain. Yeah, that was exciting ending. We have about 3 different lines up front, and trying to figure out this mooring ball has a chain on it. So that's interesting because we've never seen chain in a mooring ball before. But there we are. It's a piece of chain with a lot of stuff on it. Ardfern at sunset, and this is where the adventure ends for now.
to Oban, for the Oban Games. Here we are at the Highland Games, Oban edition. Women's jumping. Big blokes throwing things. Eventually.
We need more volunteers.
Pole throwing.
Scott Hutchison, PSA definitely has come.
Still raining. Bagpipes are still going. They never stop. People are still running around for some reason. I don't know what they're doing running. Here we go. He's going. He's got the pole. He's throwing the pole. And yeah, it was good. I think.
We don't know if that's good. This is really fast. This is already
Bagpipe competition being judged by the bagpipe experts there.